Okay, so hello everybody. My name is Afner, and today we're going to be talking about a new topic. Before you need to know, if you haven't watched my video about the tree and the coding, watch that. Linked list, stack queue. You haven't watched that yet, please watch this so you understand a little bit of this. But the ones that watch tree, linked list, graph, or not graph, stack queue, all those, then you can watch the video. So that new topic, graph. This is very important. A high level of programming now. Now these videos are gonna be a hard and high level of programming, like more like what companies use, like data science, basically close to that. Okay, which was starting from tree all the way to the end. Okay, then we go to data science. Then making your game, web development, and all that. So you can pause the video and think about what is a graph usually. Okay, like pictographs, bar graphs, thing. Okay? So graphs are what these companies use. So graphs are what companies usually use, like Walmart, Amazon, FedEx, what else? Target, right? All those companies use this graph is what they use. And today we're going to be learning about graph. We're going to be learning about a graph. Okay? My bad. So, first we're going to start with something called an undirected graph. Okay? So you can pause the video and think about what is an undirected graph. Okay? It's your choice. It's your choice. Anyways, we're going to go. Yeah. Right there. We want to make it very small. Let's say we have Amazon. No. Like A. Let's say. Then A to B. And then after that, we have C. Then connect the line with A. Okay? That's right there. Okay, that's the graph. So let's say we add money. Like here we add $2. Here we add $3. And here we add another $2. Okay? Anyways. So this is called an undirected graph when they have no arrowheads. And what I mean by no arrowheads, they don't have these arrows over here. Like that. They don't have those arrows. That's what an undirected graph means. Meaning here, nothing is connecting. Right? Like there's no arrow. Like it's connecting, but there's no arrowheads basically. Okay? Now, if there is an arrowhead, right? From here, it's from A to B to B to C and C to A. What's the total cost in total? Write this down if you have a notebook, or you can do mental math. I recommend you to do mental math. This is very easy for you guys, okay? So just pause the video. Yes, the total cost is $7 around this whole thing. If I don't have this arrow, let's say, all right, what's now the total cost? You find that out. I'm not telling you the answer. Okay? So this over here is called a directed graph. When there's arrowheads, that's what you call a directed graph. This. Okay? If there's no arrowheads, that's an undirected graph. Let's erase this. We're just gonna erase the arrowhead of that. Or no. We can just delete that. Really. This, bye bye. That $2. Now, next we're going to learn is a buyer's bi-directional graph. By the way, this is a high level topic, okay? This is what companies use, so it's okay if you make a mistake. It doesn't matter. This is the first time. We're just learning. Okay, anyways, bidirectional graph, meaning it can go two ways. Like, let me explain you it better. So A can go to B and B can go to A. That's what a bidirectional graph is. Okay? That's what it basically is. That's what a bidirectional graph is. Okay. Now, a unidirectional graph is when only one is meeting. Bi meaning two ways, uni meaning one. So unidirectional graph means where there's only one arrowhead. Like A can only go to B. Right? B can't go to A. Or B can go to A and A can't go to B. Like, let's suppose A is Amazon. Okay? And suppose that B, let me write it. Suppose A is Amazon, B is Target. Okay? Okay. A store most people commonly know, Walmart. So, only we can go in one direction. So only Amazon can go to Walmart and Walmart can go to Amazon. Like let's say a staff from Walmart ordered like a toy, let's say, which is in Amazon. So Amazon over here is going to drive all the way to Walmart to the person who wants it and deliver it there. Okay, this the kind of doesn't make sense, so we'll make this as home. Okay, like 10 Chicken Jockey Avenue. Okay? Oh, my bad. So let's say 10 Chicken Jockey Avenue. The name we can say is Sam. Wanted to buy a toy from Amazon. He bought it. Amazon has to deliver this into a box, like we did in file handling, and put the toy in there. Okay? And what they do is they bring this all the way to 10 Chicken Jockey Avenue. And Sam wants it, so he gets that from the delivery. Okay? And then so basically that's what unidirectional graph is. And also Sam can go back to Walmart because that's unidirectional graph. Okay? I'll delete all that. Okay, that's it. So thank everyone for listening about my video about a graph. Okay? Feel free if you have any questions, write it in the comments. I hope you like it and bye.